A few moments later.
Hello everyone, I am Skaramadani with name 63240849 from class 631B01. Here I will give my opinion about smoking on campus. Smoking on campus can have an impact negative for health, and smoking on campus should be banned. Reasons why smoking on campus should be banned: because smoking can endanger the health of yourself and others, because smoking can damage the lungs and cause respiratory infection, because smoking can interfere with student concentration and student achievement. To create a healthy and smoke-free campus environment, educational effort and healthy behavior programs can be carried out. That's all my opinion about the dangers of smoking on campus. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone, my name is Rizka Ramadhani with name 63240849 from class 631B01. In part 2, I will explain material about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a form of berbagai that is used to express events that are happening at the moment, or events that are routinely carried out repeatedly. When do we use simple present tense? Number one, to express a routine, something or activity that is done repeatedly. Times markers: always, seldom, sometimes, every day, every week. Example, I wake up at 5 o'clock every day. My father goes to the office every day at 6 o'clock. Number two, to start facts of truth that are recognized by everyone. Example, fire is hot. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Number three, use for command of probation sentence. Example, close the door, open the window, be careful. Number four, use to talk about plan or schedules in the future but have a time period close to now. Example, the party starts soon. The second train arrives this night at 7 o'clock. How is the form of simple present tense? Divided into three: positive, negative, interrogative. Types of simple present tense divided into two: verbal simple present tense and nominal simple present tense. Verbal simple present tense describes an action or activity. Use verbs as the core of the sentence. Nominal simple present tense describes circumstances, facts, or conditions that are permanent or general. Use the verbs to be as the core of the sentence. Verbal simple present tense. Number one, positive sentence. Ayu Dewi plus verb 1. Example, I go to library every week. You work every Sunday. They play games. We eat fried rice every morning. Next, he eat plus verb 1 s or es. Example, she teach English every Tuesday. He read the newspaper every morning. It works at a company. Number two, negative sentence. Ayu Dewi don't plus verb 1. Example, I don't go to library every week. You don't work every Sunday. They don't play games. We don't eat fried rice every morning. Next, she, he, it does not plus verb 1. Example, she does not teach English every Tuesday. She does not read the newspaper every morning. It does not work at a company. Next, number 3, interrogative sentence. I, you, they, we do plus verb 1 plus question mark. Example, do I go to school every day? Do you work every Sunday? Do they play games? Do we eat fried rice every morning? Next, she, he, it does plus verb 1 plus question mark. Example, does they teach English every Tuesday? Does he read the newspaper every morning? Does it work at a company? Next, nominal simple present tense. Number 1, positive. Subject plus be, is, are plus object. Example, I am employed at a bank. Number 2, negative. Subject plus be, is, are plus not plus object. Example, you are not a good boy. Number 3, interrogative. Be, is, are plus subject plus object plus question mark. Example, is he very polite? What are the formulas in the simple present tense? Number 1, positive sentence. I, you, they, we plus verb 1 plus object. Example, they speak English at the office. She, he, it plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object. Example, she wants to be a doctor. Next, number 2, negative sentence. I, you, they, we plus do not or don't plus verb 1 plus object. Example, you don't listen to me. She, he, it plus does not or doesn't plus verb 1 plus object. Example, Rizka does not see Peter in the class. Next, number 3, interrogative. I, you, they, we plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. Example, do they talk a lot? Use that, she, he, it, does plus she, he, it plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. Example, does he play tennis? That's all the explanation I can give about the simple present tense. If there are pronunciation error or there are still many shortcomings, I apologize and I will correct them. Thank you. See you in the next project. Bye.